Welcome to part 4. Until now, we have trained on toy problems with 4 data points. Today, we work with real data. Thousands of samples, dozens of features, messy values, and competing classes. We will see the full training pipeline, from raw numbers to a model that actually predicts. Real data rarely arrives ready to use. Some features measure in thousands, others in tiny decimals. Without normalization, the bigger features dominate the gradients and training falls apart. So we standardize, subtract the mean, divide by the standard deviation, and every feature lands on the same scale. Labels are converted to one-hot vectors, so the network can output a probability for each class. Never train and test on the same data. We split the dataset into 3 parts. The training set teaches the network. The validation set tunes our choices, like learning rate and architecture. And the test set is touched only once, at the very end, to give an honest measure of how the model will perform on data it has never seen. We rarely feed all data at once. Instead, we shuffle the training set and feed it in small mini batches, perhaps 32 samples at a time. Each batch produces a noisy estimate of the gradient. That noise is actually helpful. It shakes the optimizer out of bad regions and exposes it to many slices of the data. One pass over the entire training set is called an epoch, and so the training loop begins. Forward pass, compute the loss. Backward pass, update the weights. Then repeat, batch after batch, epoch after epoch. Watch 2 curves come alive. Loss falls. Accuracy climbs. If the validation curve starts pulling away from the training curve, we are overfitting and it is time to stop. That is real-world training. Pre-process. Split. Batch. Loop. Evaluate. Get this pipeline right, and almost any model will learn. In Part 5, we move beyond flat features into images and meet the convolutional neural network. Like, subscribe, and we will see you next time.